Here's a show that will keep you glued to the screen. Blackbird is a psychological crime drama where every scene feels like a ticking clock. It's about trust, manipulation, and survival. The tension builds slowly, but when it hits, it's intense. The characters are layered and morally gray. You'll question who's right, who's wrong, and who will survive. Every conversation could hide a secret. Every glance tells a story. If you love suspense, strategy, and smart writing, Blackbird is unmissable.